Good morning and thank you for joining us this Friday, the 27th of August. I'm Sophia Mavridis, a market analyst at Bell Direct. Well, it is the 11th straight month of gains for the Aussie share market currently, and this is the longest winning streak in 78 years. Yesterday, the Aussie share market closed in the red, closing 0.54% lower, however, is still slightly ahead this week. The communications services sector advanced 0.56%, while the utilities sector fell the most, down 2.24%. It was a busy day in reporting season. A2M, Appen APX, Ramsay Healthcare, RHC, SBM and LNK were some of the stocks that fell the most after releasing their earnings reports, while Qantas, QAN, Flight Centre FLT, Blackmores, BKL and Woolworths WOW all advanced after releasing their results. In overseas markets, investors are cautious as they await the meeting of US Federal Reserve policymakers for a monetary policy summit. New developments in Afghanistan also plays a part for investors in the risk-off sentiment. 60 lives were tragically lost as a terror attack by suicide bombers struck Kabul airport. Of the 60 lives lost, 12 were US troops, while 15 US troops were also wounded. Echoing global sentiment, European and US markets closed in the red. The Dow and the S&P 500 slid 0.5% respectively, and the Nasdaq closed 0.6% lower. As for what to watch today locally, following US equities, the SPY futures are suggesting the ASX 200 will open slightly lower. In economic news, retail sales data for July will be released at 11:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. In June, retail sales declined 1.8% month over month, heavily impacted by the nationwide lockdowns. The market is expecting a 2.3% decline. Travel stocks Flight Centre and Qantas were among the most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients yesterday after both companies reported their 2021 financial year results. FLT reported a 79% decline in revenue and a $507.1 million underlying loss, while Qantas reported a 58% decline in revenue, heavily impacted by border closures and travel restrictions. And companies reporting today include Auswide ABA, BWX, NextDC, that's NXT, Resolute Mining, RSG, Village Roadshow, VRL, and Wesfarmers, WES. Moving to commodities, the oil price has fallen 0.9% and is trading at $67.70 for a barrel. Many companies across the Asia-Pacific region have imposed new restrictions amid lingering concerns of the Delta variant. Yesterday, gold fell for the third consecutive session amid a slightly stronger dollar. The gold price is now trading slightly higher, but remains below $1,800, currently trading at $1,791 an ounce. And the iron ore price has fallen 1.8% and is trading at $159 a ton. Now for some trading ideas to consider. Bell Potter maintained their buy recommendation on the A2 milk company A2M, however have decreased their price target from $8.50 to $7.70. This comes after A2M reported its 2021 financial year results yesterday. Underlying net profit after tax was broadly in line with expectations of 80.7 million New Zealand dollars. Revenue declined 30% to 1,207 million NZ year over year. Bell Potter have downgraded NPAT consensus for 2022 by 43%. A2M closed yesterday at $6.05, implying 27.3% share price growth in a year. Also keep your eye out for Wiser, WSR, Tyro Payments, TYR, and Swoop Holdings, SWP, which are all giving off bullish charting signals according to Trading Central. I'm Sophia Mavridis with Bell Direct. Have a great Friday and happy trading.